Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own citrus enzyme cleaner at home. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and super easy to make. So, what exactly is a citrus enzyme cleaner? It's a powerful, natural cleaner made from the peels of citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes. The enzymes in the fruit break down grime and dirt, making it perfect for cleaning just about any surface. Plus, it smells amazing. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a large plastic bottle, 2 cups of citrus peels, 4 cups of water, 1 to 2 cups of brown sugar, and a bit of patience. First, cut your citrus peels into small pieces. You can use any combination of oranges, lemons, and limes. Next, grab your plastic bottle and add the brown sugar to it. Then, add the citrus peels to the bottle, followed by the water. Make sure to leave some space at the top for the gases that will be produced during the fermentation process. Now, screw the cap on tightly and give it a good shake to mix everything up. For the next 2-3 weeks, you'll need to give the bottle a shake every day to help the fermentation process along. Make sure to open the cap just a little bit each day to release any built-up gases. This step is super important, so don't skip it. After 2 to 3 weeks, your citrus enzyme cleaner will be ready to use. Strain out the liquid and transfer it to a spray bottle. Now you've got a natural, effective cleaner for your kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, floors, and even windows. To use, just spray it on the surface you want to clean, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it off with a damp cloth. It's that easy. Not only is this citrus enzyme cleaner great for your home, but it's also great for the environment. You're reusing those citrus peels and avoiding harsh chemicals. Win-win. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. See you next time.